Hello, greetings, aloha, goeiemorgen, saubona. I can only speak English. This episode hasn't been planned. Also, it's not actually for you. It's for me. A reminder, a warning, if you will. It's a reminder of sorts not to lose my head in times of crisis. Not that this can even really be called a crisis, but it doesn't matter, actually. I don't have to justify myself to you, because it's not for you. It's for me. So, yeah. I know you have questions. I know what you want to ask. It's written all over your face, actually. Joshua, do you really have pink bedsheets? Yes. Yes, I do. So I invested in the stock market. Yay, that's good, yeah? Investing. Nice. The stock market is now dropping. No, not nice. We don't actually like that because, you know, I'm investing to make money and now I'm losing money. So that's always great. Yeah. And despite everything I have read, the countless hours of research that I have done, and believe me, they're not actually countless, but they are a lot. Like, we're talking lots. All this research which is telling me, without a doubt, that under no circumstances, pretty much no circumstances, is it beneficial to sell your shares when the market is dropping. That is, of course, generally if you're, taking into account the assumption that you've invested in something like a low-cost index fund as opposed to a single stock. Because if that crashes, then you're pretty stuffed, actually, and you might want to sell before it, Anyway, besides all that, even though I've done all that research, I am still tempted to sell my shares. I know the sayings, buy and hold, time in the market beats timing the market. I know. But there's a difference between knowing and knowing. You know? No. You don't know. I don't know, actually. At this point, I think it's safe to say that no one knows. That's not quite true. Over the long run, buying and holding, not selling, always beats trying to time the market. But that said, it isn't actually as easy to stick to my proverbial guns as I would have hoped. But, all that said, even if we are entering a bear market, by we, I mean the US stock market, don't get me started on the South African stock market. But nonetheless, if we are entering a bear market, that's a good thing. Well, I mean, for young people. If you're old or you're wanting to retire, this would not be good for you. So, anyway, assuming we're entering a bear market, which I of course have no idea, I don't understand the stock market at all, stocks are essentially going on sale, and arguably the longer it lasts, the better that is. The more stocks I can buy at a discounted price. By stocks, again, I actually mean shares, because I'm buying shares in low-cost index funds, not individual stocks, I like pointing, by the way, if that wasn't apparent. So, Joshua, you absolute investing noob. Unequivocal noob of an investor. Who cares if your portfolio has dropped? Stick to your guns. Buy more shares at this discounted price. And please, please, for the love of your future self, wait out the dip in the market. Do not sell your shares. Stomach the drop. You really will appreciate it in 10, 20, and 30 years' time. Thanks for watching, folks. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm all about making money and making money work for you. So if you're up for learning with me along this road, I'd be glad to have you. Till next time.